This video is over questions 7 and 8 on your 4.0 practice sheet. So these are systems of equations that have square roots in them. You're going to solve them just like you solved a system of equations. So I like elimination. That's what I'm going to use. And I see that the square root of y terms both have the same coefficient. So I'm going to eliminate the square root of y from both equations by multiplying the bottom equation by -1, which means I'm switching the sign on all three parts. And then I'm going to add the two equations together. This cancels out. And then I have 6 square root of x equals 12. Remember, I'm trying to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by 6. So square root of x equals 2. And to get x by itself, I have to square both sides. So x equals 4. Then to solve for y, I'm just going to plug that into the original equation. So 4 root 4 plus 3 root y equals 17. 4 root 4 is 4 times 2, so 8. Subtract 8 from both sides, so I have 3 root y equals 9. Divide by 3, so root y equals 3. Square both sides, so y equals 9. So my solution would be 4, 9. So same thing on this one. I'm going to choose to eliminate the x's this time. And to do that, I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2, which is going to give me -2 root x plus 4 root y equals 18. Then I'm going to add my two equations together. This term cancels. I have negative root y equals -5, which means root y equals +5. Square both sides, so y equals 25. And then I'm going to plug that into one of the original equations and solve. So I have negative root x plus 2 root 25 equals 9. Negative root x, square root of 25 is 5 times 2 is 10, so this equals 10. Subtract 10 from both sides. Divide by -1. And square both sides. So x equals 1 and y equals 25. That's really all you're doing. So you solve it just like a regular system of equations using elimination or substitution. And then you just have to do that extra step of squaring to get rid of the square root to solve for x or y.